I'm not a Descript affiliate, so this is just my honest first impression after burning through the entire 7-day trial allotment of 100 credits in about an hour. I was trying to make a Wallace chicken commercial for the new TikTok Go affiliate creator program. First, I tried TikTok's built in AI video generator. It was fun, but also incredibly frustrating. TikTok kept giving me 10-second videos, no matter how long my script was. So I split the commercial into three parts. The wealthy British gentleman in the first video actually looked pretty good. Then the continuity completely fell apart. In the second video, he looked like someone wearing a cheap Halloween costume of the first guy. Same general idea, but now with an obviously fake wig. By the third video, TikTok had transformed him into a younger businessman with a mustache. Apparently, character development now includes becoming an entirely different person. Here's a hot tip I learned the hard way. TikTok only lets you upload one reference image for its AI video generator. I use the Wallace chicken sandwich as my reference, not the good character from the first video. Next time, my workaround will be to Photoshop the sandwich into the rich gentleman's hand and use that combined picture as my reference. That's thinking. Unfortunately, you have to leave the AI workflow to create that reference image. By the time you return, TikTok has probably timed out and forgotten your work. Not reliable. Very frustrating. TikTok's AI voices were at least more exciting. Descript's voice sounded kind of boring. It didn't give me the Cockney accent I requested, and the Scottish accent it suggested was extremely mild. Not exactly groundskeeper Willie. I gave Descript a 16-second script. Descript turned it into a 47-second theatrical masterpiece while burning through all 100 of my credits. Well, I assume it was a theatrical masterpiece. Descript didn't actually let me see the finished video. It only let me listen to the audio. For one brief moment, I was tempted to pay for a subscription just to find out what it had created. So Descript is basically the complete opposite of TikTok. TikTok says, I don't care how long your script is, you're getting 10 seconds. Descript says, I see you've written 16 seconds. I have expanded it into a 3-act drama. That will be 100 credits, please. I might test Descript's free trial again using another one of my email addresses, but next time I would create the actual video clips in Google Flow or Higgsfield and then use Descript strictly for editing. Honestly, I only tried Descript because CapCut Pro, made by the same company as TikTok, has AI features that tend to freeze whenever I ask them to do anything substantial. CapCut can handle quick tasks like adding fading transitions to hide jump cuts in a short video. But when I tried its text-based editing feature, which is supposed to work like Descript, it was a disaster. It made bad cuts. It removed the wrong words. It left in words I wanted removed. Basically, it edited the video with the confidence of a professional and the judgment of my cat. My takeaway? These tools can help, but they don't replace good editing. Good editing takes time. Otherwise, you need bulletproof prompting or a serious budget for burning through credits. By the way, this is intentionally a quick and dirty video. Please follow me as I continue experimenting with AI video tools. I may jump directly into creating bottom-of-funnel AI videos for TikTok shop products. I hear it's a goldmine, mostly from guys trying to sell me one-on-one tutoring for $500 a month, while promising to protect me from mysterious AI violations that will supposedly get my TikTok account deleted forever. So that sounds reassuring. Follow me, and we'll find out whether there's actually gold in that mine, or whether the only people making money are selling maps. The mustache is real, but I am fake. This was made using HeyGen.